Hi students. Let's see how much you've learned in this chapter. Here's a quick revision of everything you've studied and learned so far. At the end, don't forget to share your score in the comments. You'll find the full playlist in the description below. What is the primary function of the root system in flowering plants? Option A, photosynthesis. Option B, absorption of water and minerals. Option C, support for the plant. Option D, production of flowers. The correct answer is absorption of water and minerals. Which part of the flowering plant is responsible for the production of pollen grains? Option A, stigma. Option B, style. Option C, anther. Option D, ovary. The correct answer is anther. What type of venation is typically found in dicotyledonous plants? Option A, parallel venation. Option B, reticulate venation. Option C, random venation. Option D, circular venation. The correct answer is reticulate venation. Which of the following is a characteristic feature of monocotyledonous plants? Option A, tap root system. Option B, reticulate venation. Option C, fibrous root system. Option D, presence of woody stems. The correct answer is fibrous root system. What is the outermost whorl of a flower called? Option A, corolla. Option B, andrecium. Option C, calyx. Option D, gynoecium. The correct answer is calyx. In which type of inflorescence do flowers develop in a basipetal order? Option A, racemose. Option B, cymose. Option C, solitary. Option D, a compound. The correct answer is cymose. What is the term for the arrangement of leaves on a stem? Option A, phyllotaxy. Option B, venation. Option C, morphology. Option D, inflorescence. The correct answer is phyllotaxy. Which part of the flower is responsible for attracting pollinators? Option A, calyx. Option B, corolla. Option C, andrecium. Option D, gynoecium. The correct answer is corolla. What type of placentation has ovules attached to the central axis of the ovary? Option A, marginal. Option B, axile. Option C, parietal. Option D, basal. The correct answer is axile. Which of the following describes a flower that has both male and female reproductive organs? Option A, unisexual. Option B, bisexual. Option C, actinomorphic. Option D, zygomorphic. The correct answer is bisexual. What is the main function of the stem in flowering plants? Option A, absorption of nutrients. Option B, support and transport. Option C, photosynthesis. Option D, storage of food. The correct answer is support and transport. What is the term for a fruit that develops without fertilization? Option A, parthenocarpic fruit. Option B, drupe. Option C, berry. Option D, capsule. The correct answer is parthenocarpic fruit. Which of the following is not a part of the gynoecium? Option A, stigma. Option B, style. Option C, anther. Option D, ovary. The correct answer is anther. In which type of flower is the ovary completely enclosed by the thalamus? Option A, hypogynous. Option B, perigynous. Option C, epigynous. Option D, actinomorphic. The correct answer is epigynous. What is the primary role of root hairs? Option A, photosynthesis. Option B, water absorption. Option C, nutrient storage. Option D, support. The correct answer is water absorption. Which type of leaf has incisions that do not reach the midrib? Option A, simple leaf. Option B, compound leaf. Option C, pinnately compound leaf. Option D, palmately compound leaf. The correct answer is simple leaf. What is the term for the pattern of arrangement of sepals or petals in a floral bud? Option A, estivation. Option B, phyllotaxy. Option C, venation. Option D, placentation. The correct answer is estivation. Which of the following describes the arrangement of leaves in an alternate pattern? Option A, 1 leaf per node. Option B, 2 leaves per node. Option C, 3 or more leaves per node. Option D, no leaves on the node. The correct answer is 1 leaf per node. What is the main function of the leaf in flowering plants? Option A, water storage. Option B, photosynthesis. Option C, support. Option D, reproduction. The correct answer is photosynthesis. Which part of the seed is responsible for the development of the plant after germination? Option A, seed coat. Option B, embryo. Option C, endosperm. Option D, hilum. The correct answer is embryo. What type of inflorescence has a main axis that continues to grow? Option A, cymose. Option B, racemose. Option C, solitary. Option D, a compound. The correct answer is racemose. Which of the following is a characteristic of the Solanaceae family? Option A, woody stems. Option B, reticulate venation. Option C, actinomorphic flowers. Option D, all of the above. The correct answer is actinomorphic flowers. What is the term for the fleshy part of a fruit? Option A, pericarp. Option B, seed. Option C, endosperm. Option D, placenta. The correct answer is pericarp. In which type of leaf arrangement do leaflets arise from a common point? Option A, pinnately compound. Option B, palmately compound. Option C, simple. Option D, alternate. The correct answer is palmately compound. What is the primary role of the calyx in a flower? Option A, attracting pollinators. Option B, protecting the flower in bud stage. Option C, producing pollen. Option D, supporting the stem. The correct answer is protecting the flower in bud stage. Which part of the flower is typically responsible for producing ovules? Option A, anther. Option B, stigma. Option C, ovary. Option D, style. The correct answer is ovary. What is the main characteristic of a compound leaf? Option A, entire lamina. Option B, multiple leaflets. Option C, single petiole. Option D, no axillary bud. The correct answer is multiple leaflets. What type of flower has sepals that are united? Option A, gamosepalous. Option B, polysepalous. Option C, actinomorphic. Option D, zygomorphic. The correct answer is gamosepalous. What is the term for the arrangement of ovules within the ovary? Option A, estivation. Option B, phyllotaxy. Option C, placentation. Option D, venation. The correct answer is placentation. Which of the following is a feature of the gynoecium? Option A, contains stamens. Option B, produces pollen. Option C, contains carpels. Option D, has no role in reproduction. The correct answer is contains carpels. What is the term for the fleshy part of the fruit that develops from the ovary? Option A, pericarp. Option B, endosperm. Option C, seed coat. Option D, placenta. The correct answer is pericarp. Which type of flower is characterized by radial symmetry? Option A, actinomorphic. Option B, zygomorphic. Option C, asymmetric. Option D, a compound. The correct answer is actinomorphic. What is the primary function of the fruit and flowering plants? Option A, photosynthesis. Option B, seed protection and dispersal. Option C, water absorption. Option D, nutrient storage. The correct answer is seed protection and dispersal. Which of the following describes a flower that cannot be divided into two similar halves? Option A, actinomorphic. Option B, zygomorphic. Option C, asymmetric. Option D, symmetrical. The correct answer is asymmetric. What is the term for the scar on the seed coat where it was attached to the fruit? Option A, micropyle. Option B, hilum. Option C, cotyledon. Option D, radicle. The correct answer is hilum. Which of the following is a characteristic of the Solanaceae family? Option A, herbaceous plants. Option B, woody trees. Option C, aquatic plants. Option D, none of the above. The correct answer is herbaceous plants. What is the main function of the leaf base? Option A, photosynthesis. Option B, attachment to the stem. Option C, water absorption. Option D, storage of nutrients. The correct answer is attachment to the stem. Which type of placentation is characterized by ovules developing on the inner wall of the ovary? Option A, marginal. Option B, axine. Option C, parietal. Option D, basal. The correct answer is parietal. What is the main function of the style in the flower? Option A, attracting pollinators. Option B, connecting stigma to ovary. Option C, producing pollen. Option D, protecting the ovary. The correct answer is connecting stigma to ovary. What type of root system is typically found in dicotyledonous plants? Option A, fibrous root system. Option B, tap root system. Option C, adventitious root system. Option D, none of the above. The correct answer is tap root system. Which of the following is not a function of the stem? Option A, transporting nutrients. Option B, photosynthesis. Option C, anchoring the plant. Option D, support for leaves and flowers. The correct answer is anchoring the plant. What is the term for the fleshy part of the fruit that surrounds the seeds? Option A, pericarp. Option B, mesocarp. Option C, endocarp. Option D, exocarp. The correct answer is mesocarp. What is the primary role of the ovary in a flower? Option A, producing pollen. Option B, protecting the seeds. Option C, attracting pollinators. Option D, transporting water. The correct answer is protecting the seeds. Which type of inflorescence has flowers borne laterally in an acropetal succession? Option A, cymose. Option B, racemose. Option C, solitary. Option D, a compound. The correct answer is racemose. Which of the following describes a flower with sepals that are free? Option A, gamosepalous. Option B, polysepalous. Option C, actinomorphic. Option D, zygomorphic. The correct answer is polysepalous.